Hello guys, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up newbie share on your phone Huawei, so let's start. So guys, at first you need to scroll down this panel another time, and as you can see we have Huawei share. So not quick share, not newbie share, but Huawei share. So click on it to switch it on, then click agree. So guys, now if you want, for example, send a photo to somebody who have Huawei share, just click here share in the gallery and choose Huawei share. So another device must be close to your device to connect to the Huawei share. And that's all guys, so if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe and see you later guys, bye bye.